Whether you are just getting started or renewing your license, we are including a free website with your purchase. I know you're thinking that's probably a cheap and tacky website that doesn't do anything that they're using to trick me into buying these courses. So check it out first. Go to agentmarketing.com. You will see this. Click on the features button right here. Now you will see this. This is the list of all the features this site has for you to use. The first thing you will see is the personal marketing section. It looks like this, and if you scroll down, you'll see the 15 boxes that describe the 15 ways you can use the site to market yourself. Scroll down past this, and you'll see the property marketing section. It looks like this, and in this section, you will see the 33 boxes that describe the 33 ways you can use the site to market yourself and properties. Scroll down some more and you will see the lead generation section. It looks like this, and here you will find the 9 ways to generate leads. Actually, we have over 105 ways, but that's another story for another day. Now you're probably thinking, okay, so it's not a cheap and tacky website, but I don't know how to use all those features. Well, what if I told you that the marketing of these features is included? That's right. We're going to give you a free website and do the marketing for you. So what's the catch? There isn't one. Enjoy your classes.